Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to lock Figma files. First, open your Figma design and select the specific layer or object you wish to secure. This action helps prevent unintended modifications, keeping your design elements precisely where you want them. Locking is a simple yet powerful feature for maintaining design integrity, especially when collaborating with a team or working on complex layouts. To lock a layer or object, simply select it on your canvas. Then, navigate to the right sidebar and click the small lock icon next to its name in the Layers panel. A locked icon will appear, indicating it's now secure. You can also right-click the selected item and choose Lock from the context menu. This quick action ensures your design components stay fixed. Unlocking is just as straightforward. Simply click the lock icon again or right-click and select Unlock. If you need to lock several items simultaneously, select them all and then apply the lock. You can also group multiple layers and then lock the entire group, which secures all its contents. This is incredibly useful for managing complex sections of your design efficiently. For best practices, consider locking elements once they are finalized or when you're collaborating with others to prevent accidental changes. It's a great way to protect your work and maintain consistency across your design. However, remember to unlock items when you need to make adjustments. This balance ensures both design integrity and workflow flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.